Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kinigilong ki khubor bamda kasni. U President Thamai ka BJP Meghalaya u Rickman Momin min kasni ningkong ulapan mina ba ka BJP Meghalaya kala thau ya ka Executive Committee ba Thamai bala menjur da kinong yalam na Delhi. Ya ka ka jingpin na jang ka BJP Meghalaya ya kinong kit kam ba Thamai ha ka jing yalam u Rickman G Momin arbnai hadin bala shimti ka kam kum u President.
I've just called this press conference immediately after getting an approval from the center. So I'd like to announce our office bearer. One by one I'll be naming out. The State Vice President is Mr. Banat Marab, Krau Gokilin Basumay, Wankibok, Posna, Sri Dipul Marab, Sri Gagan Jain, and Srimati Uriya Sangma. These are the 6 vice presidents. The general secretaries are Dr. Everest Singh and Lakon Biang. State secretaries are Akabiang Lindo, Dr. Bernadette Lindo, Sri Adam Kit, Srimati Brevia Thaba, Sri Premananda Koch, and Mr. Bipin Pradhan. State Treasurer is Sri Sarban Junjunwala. Office Secretary is Srimati Arundhati Paul. State Mahila Morcha is Sukhi Paryat. State President Yuva Morcha, Mr. Mewakar Lindo. State ST Morcha, Sri Thomas N. Marak. State Kisan Morcha, Sri Aralden Sabong. And lastly, State Minority Morcha is Sri Sahidur Rahman. So these are the office bearer which has been approved by the central office.
What about media coordinator?
This will be after tomorrow we are having an office bearer meeting, then after that we'll be announcing it.
So last executive committee.
Old one and new one.
But so like
because there are 5 states of election are going on, na? Maybe because of that. A month ago.
So since
for this one election purpose for the party, we have already prepared, na? Because our members are still there, na? Only the office bearer has been changed. A president has been changed. That's all. All mandals are still exist. Of a good label all exist. So we don't have to worry much about it.
so when is the we have seen the
Party, we are different parties. So according to the party policies, it will go on.
so how many Tura parliamentary seats?
Right now there is some candidates are there. So I wouldn't be able to name it right now. Though that's up to the Central Parliamentary Board. We have. My duty is only to forward those who have been applying for it.
like there's no
But
Everyone will be open to join the party. To come and join the party. Yet that as a BJP, it's good if we can also put a woman candidate, because our recently that 32% of women reservation has been given. Complain about corruption. As you know, BJP is zero tolerance on corruption. So if there is a proof, we will fight it back. So that's it. Every party.
Yes.
Yeah, we'll be setting up new election committee. So today only in front of you, I've already announced it. So tomorrow we'll be having an office bearer meeting. After that only we can inform you. Thank you.